We finally have our hands on the CMF Phone 2 Pro, and it's modular but not quite the same as before. Good day, you beautiful people. Exciting things at the studio these days, and one of them, the CMF Phone 2 Pro. You might remember that a while back I did check out the CMF Phone 1, and that had a cool modular concept. And that was actually quite nice, and it really did excite me in the sea of boring slab phones these days. CMF, which apparently stands for Color, Material, and Finish, I just found that out now, is a company by Nothing. And yes, the same Nothing that just launched the Nothing Phone 3A and the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. The CMF phones are basically the cheapest entry into the Nothing ecosystem. But anyway, before we talk more about these phones, let's unbox. I gotta say that this phone is still an eye catcher. It's thinner than the CMF Phone 1, and you basically get the same vibe on the phone. You get screws here and the screw button, 3 cameras on the back now versus the 2 on the CMF Phone 1. And by the way, did you guys notice that this is the CMF Phone 2 Pro that followed the CMF Phone 1? There's a Pro. Does that mean we're gonna get a CMF Phone 2? I actually don't know. On the side, you get a volume rocker. At the bottom, it gives you a SIM tray, a USB-C port, speakers. On the other side, an unlock button, and then this extra button. This is the essential key, and this is something that we've seen on the Nothing devices. It's their AI feature, which allows you to take note of things like a voice note or a photo, and then it stores it to Essential Space, which organizes your information and allows you to pull it up at a later date. Now, this phone comes in 4 different finishes with 4 different colors. I obviously have the orange version, and that orange is a similar shade from last year's CMF 1. This is a plastic back, though there is this metallic finish on here, and that's supposed to be aluminum that surrounds the cameras. So the CMF Phone 1 was cool because it had accessories you could screw on to the back, and you can even take this whole back panel out and switch covers. So I took all my old CMF Phone 1 accessories to see if they would fit the CMF Phone 2 Pro, and while some accessories did fit, some didn't. On the CMF Phone 2, they've sort of changed how this all works. Now you can switch out the whole back panel of the phone. This thing, even if you remove all the screws, is now glued to the phone. You now get a better IP rating, but less fun with covers. What you actually get now is an extra panel that you add on to the back of the phone. You basically screw it on, and that becomes an adapter for attachable lenses or a MagSafe wallet stand. All of those accessories, I don't have those, so I can't really show you, but that's basically the new mechanics for this modular phone. And also another point to be made, without accessories, all you have is, well, another cool looking phone. Nevertheless, the 2 accessories that I had from the CMF Phone 1 that I tried and fit the CMF Phone 2, I did have fun with. And yes, I do think that these modular accessories are things that could be very useful, especially if they fit right into your use cases. So this phone features a 50 megapixel main, a 50 megapixel telephoto, and an 8 megapixel wide. Up front, that's a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. The rear cameras also shoot in 4K, but what's really cool about this phone is that it has the same ability for presets that the Nothing Phone 3A and the Nothing Phone 3A Pro have. Anyway, let's do a quick camera tour. Okay, so first of all, this is, of course, the Nothing OS that you get on this phone. And then let's go to cameras. Switch to the rear cameras. You have wide, 1x, 2x, up until, 20 times zoom right there. And you're looking at my Lego camera. Back to wide. Up here, you get more settings. And then if you tap this little button at the bottom, you get your presets. Yes, it's the same thing you get on the Nothing phones, and you can even make your own, or import presets using QR codes. Now on the side, you get video. You can do 1x, 2x, up until 8x, and this is in 4K. In 1080p, you also get a wide 1x, 2x, up until 8x, back to wide. And then under more, you get your slow-mo, 1x, 2x, well, up until 2x, and that's 1080p. You get a time-lapse, you get a pano mode, you get an expert mode that allows you to use wide up until 10x. And then on the other side, you get, of course, your portrait. You can do 1x, 24mm, 2x, 3x, 4x, up until, well, zoom isn't available in this mode. And then you also get your different like aperture settings. And aperture styles, that's cool. And then here you get a retouching feature, and then finally a night mode that allows for wide up until 10x. On selfie, you also get a night mode, you get portrait mode with retouching, and you can again switch the aperture settings and different aperture styles. You get a photo mode that does 22 or 27mm, so 1x and 1 point something x. You get video, and you can do 1080p on video, no 4K. And then we're back to more. Now, time for some sample shots. So that was our look at the CMF Phone 2 Pro. Let me know what you guys think. I would say that this is one of the exciting budget options that we have right now. Point is, it's a decent device that'll give you everything necessary that you'd need on a phone. And it gives you that fun extra factor of modularity. And honestly, at the time when phones are looking more and more alike and boring, I really like that. Right, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what else you'd want me to try with this phone. If you want a camera vlog test or a social media test, comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.